Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. First, you'll need to open the App Store on your iPhone. Look for the blue icon with a white square symbol and tap it to launch the application. Make sure you're using the latest version of iOS for the best compatibility with SORA. Step 2. Once inside the App Store, navigate to the Search tab at the bottom of your screen. Tap the search icon and type SORA directly into the search bar. This will pull up the official SORA app created by OpenAI, which you'll want to verify before downloading. Step 3. When you find the SORA app, tap the Get button next to it. You'll be prompted to authenticate using Face ID or your Apple ID password to complete the download. This security step ensures only authorized users can install apps on your device. Step 4. After authentication succeeds, the Get button will change to Install, and the download will begin automatically. Wait for the installation to finish, which usually takes just a few moments depending on your internet speed. Step 5. Once installed, the button changes to Open. Tap it to launch SORA for the first time, then sign in with your OpenAI account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one right from the app to start generating videos immediately.